Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip, right across the street from the Bellagio. We're going to visit the Paris Hotel and Casino on this rather dreary Las Vegas morning. The theme of this hotel and casino is, well, you guessed it, Paris. It includes a half-scale 540-foot tall replica of the Eiffel Tower, a sign in the shape of the Montgolfier balloon, a 2/3 size Arc de Triomphe, a replica of La Fontaine des Mers, and the front of the hotel suggests the Louvre Museum and a Paris Opera House as well. All that being said, if Caesars Entertainment, who owns this joint, wanted to dump it someday, the new owners would have a very hard time rebranding it. Bally Entertainment broke ground for the Paris Hotel and Casino in 1997 on a 24-acre parcel. It was built at an estimated cost of $760 million. Original plans for the Eiffel Tower called for a full-scale replica, however that would have interfered with the nearby McCarran Airport, and designers therefore reduced it to approximately half-scale. Nevertheless, even at half-scale, that iconic Eiffel Tower has a huge impact on the Las Vegas skyline. I'm thinking they should have went ahead with their plans and built it at full scale and just moved the airport. That's just me thinking. Note to self. Apply for city planner position in Las Vegas. Where was I? Oh yeah, let's check this place out. Coming up here on the left is Le Cabaret Bar, and it's one of my favorites here at the Paris Hotel and Casino. Styled with a French twist, it's decorated in velvet curtains, bistro tables, a garden-like setting, and trees laced with twinkling lights. Choose from a selection of sophisticated cocktails and sip amongst friends. The Paris here in Las Vegas opened on September 1st, 1999, with fireworks being shot from the Eiffel Tower. French actress Catherine Deneuve flipped a switch, turning on all of Paris's lights, including the various crystal chandeliers in the main lobby. Okay, let's be realistic here. If all the lights in this hotel and casino were directed to one switch, Catherine Deneuve would have been fried like a slice of bacon served at the Mon Ami Gabi Cafe outside. Although that might explain the electrical problems this place has had since opening, including a rather large blackout, a complete blackout just several months ago, leaving hotel guests stranded in elevators for hours. My suggestion? Have all the power run through more than one switch for the entire hotel and casino. Note to self. Apply for electrical engineer position at Caesars Entertainment. Where was I? Oh yeah. This is Gordon Ramsay's Steak. Fiery, internationally renowned chef Gordon Ramsay opened Gordon Ramsay's Steak with a bang in 2012, showcasing his famous hit dishes in an exceptional fine dining atmosphere. This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So we're heading over to the Bally's. We just went through a lot of shops and restaurants here at the Paris Hotel. Some of the casual restaurants, by the way, include JJ's Boulangerie, Mon Ami Gabi. It's a French restaurant on the Strip with great views of the Bellagio fountains. There's a video on this channel if you're interested in it. Again, that's Mon Ami Gabi. There's also Cafe Americano Paris, Burger Brasserie, Lucky 88, and a beer park as well. Some of the more upscale restaurants include Gordon Ramsay Steak, which we mentioned earlier, the Eiffel Tower restaurant, and I do have also an Eiffel Tower video here on the channel. Great views from one of the tallest structures here in Las Vegas. There's Mauritano's and Hex Kitchen and Bar as well. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And that's pretty much it for the Paris, a rather short video this time around. And as you can see, there's a connection here to Bally's, both the Paris and Bally's being Caesars Entertainment properties. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. I fucked up. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You can do it again. We'll do it again.
One time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe. Woo!
Merci d'avoir regardé. Appuyez sur ce bouton comme et n'oubliez pas de vous abonner.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.